everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl again, Nurse Karimat of Boss Baby Talk. How are you doing today? For my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always coming back here to show me love. How are you doing? And if this is your first time I'm coming your way, you are welcome to this beautiful family. What I do on this platform, I create content surrounding my lifestyle, living here in Canada as an immigrant. I talk about how to migrate to Canada job opportunity, schooling, and how you can get your first accommodation when you finally arrive in Canada. Because that is on another level, is what you need to plug yourself on this platform to be able to get the right information you needed to get house, to get apartments in Canada. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, please go on and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my important video like this. And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you, for the people that have asked in my DM, and for the people that have messaged me, that for the people that have put in the comment section here as well, they want, you know, job, a route to, you know, 𝙏𝙗𝙖 without any qualification, labor job, or you have high school certificate, then this particular video is for you. We are going to be talking about labor job today, and I am going to be showing you the best agency you can connect yourself with if you are looking for a best labor job in Canada. Get yourself connected to this agency and you can never go wrong about it. And also, they are fully funded from every part of the world. All this video I'm sharing, I'm always looking for the one that they are fully funded and they are employing from every part of the world. So if this is what you've searched for on YouTube, or what you might want to know more about, why don't you sit back, relax, grab your popcorn and juice, and let's get right into today's video. Remember to subscribe. With me here today, the first one is going to be Factory Empire, and this agency, they are really like, they've been around for a very long time. So get yourself connected to them. And it's somebody at a 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 BC, that's British Columbia, and they are willing to pay $17.60 hourly. And they want somebody that can work at least for 40 hours per week. Again, it's going to be a permanent employment, full-time job. They need somebody that speaks in English. So everything you can see is so simple on here, because it doesn't require certificate and all of that. If you have your high school level, that's all you need. And if you don't have your high school level on this particular labor job, you are good to go. The only thing they need is for you to be able to speak English. That is all they need you to do. So plug yourself on it and get connected to them. Apply already. And they are also willing to train you. Education, they don't need no degree, certificate, or diploma at all. And they have also put your responsibility and tasks there for you, what you're going to be doing: check and weight material and product, assist machine operator. Probably they already have their operator, but of course they also want you to be assisting them. Other workers perform other laboring and elemental activities, clean machine and immediate work area as well. You can apply to this job. This employer accepts application form from Canadian citizen and permanent resident or temporary residents of Canada. Other candidates with or without Canadian work permit can also apply on this job. And when you don't see a subtitle here for you, that means they employ from every part of the world. And also, this is where you're going to be applying. They have put their email here for you. It is so simple. Just send your resume to them. That is all you need to do. And your cover letter. You don't need a reference on this job. You don't need the education on this job. If you have any, you know, experience before, you can add a reference. Okay, if you don't have, it's not compulsory on this one, and they don't need no education. So it is really good for you. The only thing they need is for you to be able to speak in English, and that's all. Let's go to the next one, guys. The next one I have here is factory laborer as well, manufacturing, and this agency too, they're really good. That's why we're talking about them today. This job is also situated at BC, British Columbia. They are willing to pay $18.50 hourly. They want somebody that can work for 40 hours per week, and also they want somebody basically just to speak in English as well. They don't need no education certificate or diploma on this as well. They are also willing to train you about the job that you're going to be doing there for them, and your responsibility and tax is also there for you. This is so easy and so simple. The only thing they require from you is just to be able to speak in English. That is all they needed from you. Just apply, send your resume here on their email, and that's all you needed. So guys, this is going to be my last one for today. Helper factory. This generic millwork, oh my god, this employer, I got a lot of feedback from them last year, guys. They are really good, and they employ from every part of the world. So please, this is an employer that you want to get yourself connected to. Basically, these agents, just plug yourself in with them if you are looking for a factory work. You know, they will connect you. And they needed somebody at Edmonton, Alberta. They are willing to pay $20. They want somebody that can work at least from 35 hours to 40 hours per week. This job is going to be a permanent employment, full-time job. And also, as you can see here, this employer already have an LMIA certificate. It means basically they are approved by the government to be able to sponsor somebody from any part of the world. They want to bring a worker, they can bring you. So they already get that certificate from the government, so you do not have a problem at all. They are willing to sponsor, fully funded employer. That is what they have. They need somebody that can just speak in English. Education, no degree, certificate or diploma needed on this. So not even your high school. For the people that have come in my DM that they needed a job which is just like a high school job, on this one you do not even need to have high school certificates, but if you have, it's going to be definitely a plus for you. Experience, they are willing to train you, and they have talked about their work site environment. It's going to be dusty and noisy, and also work setting, okay, manufacturing and industrial plants, factory or plants as well. And responsibility and task is also there for you. Make sure you are scanning that through, and also additional information is there for you. You're going to be handling 23 kgs to 50 pounds. Personal stability is also there. Punctuality, dependability, initiative, reliability, and team player, as you're going to be working with a lot of people there. And again, who can apply to this particular job? This employer accepts application from Canadian citizen and permanent or temporary residents of Canada. Other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit can also apply on this. And this is basically showing you where to apply. Send your email to them. You cannot go wrong about them. And this is where I'm going to be ending the video today. In my previous video last year, I actually talked about this agency because they employ a lot of people. So get yourself connected to them like they are no joke at all. So plug yourself in, send in your resume. If you have cover letter, if you have reference, perhaps you have experience, just send everything into them. They will be contacting you. All right, we're going to advertise this job until the August 1st. So go already and apply. And this is where I'm going to be ending the video right here and now. If you haven't applied, go already and apply. If you have asked for a job that do not need certificates or that need just high school certificates, you know, to JAPA, you know, routes, this is definitely a short plug for you, as this video is basically all about factory job. And most factory job in Canada, you do not need no education at all. You don't need any education at all. In 99.9% of factories in Canada, you do not need any certificate at all. and as you can see, they are paying well. Their pay is not bad. It's like $20 hourly, you know, bit by bit, you know, you will definitely be getting better and be getting more than that later. But at least to start with, they will be paying you $20 per hour, which I feel is okay for no certificates or high school certificates. Is really good, totally fine. And if you get to Canada through them, you want to be going to school and also working at the same time, it is all well and good. Definitely you will want to boost your career when you get here, because here school never stop. School never stop in Canada. You see 60-year-old, 55 years old, they're still going to school here. So just to boost your level up and all of that, by the time you get to Canada, you might decide to go to school again, and you know, school never ends abroad. So guys, this is where I'm ending the video. Like I said, until I come your way again, I remain your girl, Nurse Karimat of Boss Baby Talk. Goodbye for now.